Hi guys, in this video I want to share with you how you can make money as a Christian content creator. Now there are a lot of people who believes you should not make money from your content as a Christian because they just feel it's the Lord's work you're doing and you don't need to make money. However, the Bible says in 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 18, the Bible says the laborer is worthy of its wages. So you are a creator, you labor on what you do, you are worthy of your wages. So can you tell yourself, I am worthy of my wages? While your focus is not on money, I want you to also know that when you give value, money goes in the direction of value. So wherever you put value into, money can come into you, money can come from there. Okay, so here are ways you can make money as a content creator. The first is the general means that we all know. If you are creating content on this YouTube space, you can make money from YouTube AdSense. Okay, but before you do that, you need to have meet the YouTube requirement, which is for you to have 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So this is achievable, I want you to know. So just put your mind and stay consistent with what you're doing. In no time you are going to get to that threshold. The second way you can make money is through online courses. So you can create a course online as a Christian content creator and people will subscribe to it, and through that money is going to come into your purse. The third way I believe you can make money is by writing books and selling digital books. Okay, so you can create books like devotionals, like journals. Okay, something that goes in line with your faith. If you're creating a devotional, maybe for women or for men or for entrepreneurs, something you are already known for, what maybe you're already giving out free value from your videos, how people can get to know God. You can write a book on it, sell it on your website or sell it on Amazon or any book selling website online. You can put your book on seller and then you can make a profit from that. As a Christian content creator, you can make money from speaking engagement. Now, I'm not saying go and make demands and say this is how much I charge. No, if you are called somewhere to speak, it's a privilege, okay? And then they would honor you. They should honor the grace of God over your life. So receive whatever you are giving with grace, but of course it's a means through which you can be blessed. Now I want you to know that as a content creator, you can also be an affiliate marketer. You can sell a market or a product you have used that is blessing you, maybe a book or a journal or a pen or a t-shirt, a Christian t-shirt company. Okay, and you want your audience to know about it also, you can share it with them, and when you do so, you get a discount on everyone who purchase through your link. However, I would like to say, make sure you market products that you are sure of, that you have used, because you do not want to misdirect your people or your audience. Also, you can make money through people just blessing you through live chats, super chats, through perks and all the likes. Okay, so you can get money through that as well. So these are a few ways I know that you can make money as a Christian content creator. I wish you all of the best, and I know God will bless the works of your end. So thank you guys for listening to me and for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.